First death confirmed due to anaphylaxis following COVID-19 vaccination. A government panel studying COVID-19 vaccine side effects has confirmed the first death due to anaphylaxis following COVID-19 vaccination here on Tuesday. According to a report submitted by the National Adverse Events Following Immunization AEFI committee, a 68-year-old man died due to anaphylaxis, several allergic reaction. After being vaccinated on March 8, the death is reported as vaccine product related reaction. In the report, why does Covaxin cost more than Covishield Sputnik V? Experts weigh in. A Covishield dose cannot cost more than Rs 780 a dose. Russia's Sputnik V will cost a maximum of Rs 1145 a dose, and Covaxin cannot be costlier than Rs 1410 a shot. This includes Rs 150 in GST or goods and service tax. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is the only made in India vaccine of these three, is almost double the price of Covishield and cost as much as Pfizer abroad, around $19. It is the third costliest vaccine globally. Kolkata, 19,000 booked in a month. Focus now on e-passes for private firm staff. As the enhanced COVID restrictions complete almost a month, the police said they have arrested or prosecuted 18,911 citizens, an average of 630 persons per day. The cops have also prosecuted 30,682 motorists as at a daily average of 1,022 each day. In almost all these cases, the cops have forwarded the cases to court with the prayer of seizing the vehicle. With the extension of curbs till July 1st, the cops are keeping an eye on new relaxations, especially related to movement to private offices and malls announced by the state on Monday. Appointed Interim Chief Compliance Officer. Twitter on new IT rules. Twitter on Tuesday said it has appointed an interim chief compliance officer, and the details of the official will be shared directly with the IT ministry soon. The move came after the government had given one last chance to Twitter to comply with the new IT rules, as the microblogging platform has not made immediate appointments to key personnel mandated under the new guidelines that came into effect on May 26. Following this, the US-based company has assured the Indian government last week that it is in advanced stage of finalizing the appointment of Chief Compliance Officer and that it would submit additional details within a week.